Okay, we are in drawstring and figuring out how to resize the background if we need to. So we did our calculations for the new dimensions. So let's see how we actually change the canvas if we need to. So let's say if background image is not null, so we actually have one of those background images like that counter.ping. We can say canvas equals new greenfoot image background image. So this way we're using the background image to build the new canvas, but hopefully that's not going to we're not going to resize the original background image. So then we can say canvas scale d width d height. Okay, so we're using the height and width that we calculated to resize the background image. So this canvas scales the image that we read in from the file. But if we didn't read in from a file, if we just want to, we have that fill rectangle option, remember, where we set the color. We could just say canvas equals new greenfoot image, and just use those dimensions right here, the width and the height here, d height. Okay, and we know we can always recover the original values for width and height because we have that unscaled width and unscaled height, those unscaled width and unscaled height variables. I'm going to say canvas set color to the background color. And canvas fill rect 0, 0, d width d height. Is there anything else we got to worry about? Oh, the other thing is, when we do this drawstring, we got to make sure that we're setting the color. I think I'm gonna calculate point. I think I'm gonna move this set font into drawstring. Where's drawstring? Got too many methods in here now. Drawstring. Okay. Oh, I'm in drawstring. Okay. So I'll say set font, but then I also want to make sure canvas set color to color. Okay, so that when I draw my string, I'm using the string color. Oops, what did I do? String int and text cannot be applied to int. Oh yeah, I need my label in here, don't I? Let's see now. Okay, so that looks good. Let's add a an image here. Can we set background image? What's the name of it? Counter.ping, right? Okay. So let's so now this guy's got an image. This guy's got an image. If we set the font size, set his font size to 36. Okay, it's big enough that it still fits in there. We can still set the font style to let's say java.awt.font.bold, and make it java.awt.serif, let's say. Okay, and let's try this one too. Let's see, size 48, and hey, it's still in. Now notice this is kind of creeping over to the sides a little bit. So one thing we could do is also maybe add in on the sides a little bit of a factor, just to a little bit of a fudge factor in there. So where is the thing in here? So here's the font. So maybe we could we want to do that with our scaling calculations. So what we might want to do for width is for string width label, maybe we could just what if we just tacked on an M onto the label just to make it a little bit wider? And you could, you could try different letters, but oh rats! I didn't leave that on there, did I? Okay, so set image. Where is it? Set background image. Counter.ping. And set font size to 36. And that's a little bit nicer. Okay. So so that's it. So now you have a pretty flexible text object that you can play around with, and you can do all the things with these that you can do with any actor, right? You can make them bounce around on the screen. You can make them, get transparent so they fade away, or come into, or appear from being really transparent. You can, have them like come out from the side and slide into there and say, thanks for playing, or something like that. So anyway, yeah, I hope you have fun with this text class.